Hey, hi guys, good morning to all and welcome to my channel. Here today I'll be going to demonstrate how we can install Visual Studio 2019 in Windows 10 PC. So to install Visual Studio 2019 we have to go to this link https://visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads. To go to this link, if you are using Windows 10, just go to this search text box and type here Visual Studio 2019. Okay, or you can type only to Visual Studio. Then in search the wave, you can click on the arrow and you can see this link. You can directly hit this link and you can go this, it will redirect to this page, and here you can see we have 3 edition, that is one community, one professional and one enterprise edition. So for doing practice and for developer use, we can right now we can use community, which is free, and Microsoft will not ask you for any for using the upgraded version, or you need to buy any license for it. So as of now we can download this community and we can start working on this Visual Studio Community Edition. So to download this, you can click on free download here. Once we click on this free download, so it will see, you can see here, no need to give anything, just close this one, and you can see here your Visual Studio Community Edition.exe is installed in your PC. Just open file, click on open file or click on the dot. Okay, once you open the file, then Visual Studio installer will be instantiated, and Visual Studio, you need to click on yes, and Visual Studio installer, once it will install everything, it will pop up with a window where you need to select some features that you need to add on in your Visual Studio, that you want to develop some application. Like, see, I have to include this ASP.NET and .NET desktop development. That's all. I didn't require at all as of now. I didn't require those things. If you want to give this SQL Server data storage and processing that requires Azure data, then you can include it. Otherwise, let it be. Like, you can go for only 2 options, that is ASP.NET web development and .NET desktop development. You can click those 2 options and click install here. Once you click on install, you can see the community edition will be getting to start installing in your PC. So I have already professional edition and enterprise edition in my PC, so that's why it is showing here. And as of now I am just installing the community editions as per the demonstration purpose. So this is how we can install Visual Studio Community Edition in our PC. Once it will get installed, it will show you this type of option, and you can click on the button, launch button, and Visual Studio Community Edition will get launched in your PC. It will open and you can start working on your community edition. Okay, so that's all. That's all from my side. I hope this will really help you guys to install Visual Studio Community Edition in your PC. If you are facing any problem or if you have any doubts, just give a comment under the below section, and I will be going to help you on that. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.